Hi everyone, good evening. I'm here today again. I want to talk about heartburn in pregnancy and how to prevent it. Prevention of heartburn in pregnancy. But before I go further, please kindly like, share, and follow my page. And you can also get in touch with me on YouTube by Oluwakemi Bitoye. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and also on Instagram by Bitoye Baby. Please kindly like and follow my page as I said. So heartburn is also known as indigestion or acid reflux. It is study said that the cause may be as a result of pregnancy hormone, and also the growing fetus pressing on the mother's stomach can lead to some of the women. It's not everybody, not all pregnant women experience it. Can lead to some of the women experiencing this condition. So the health tips is that what can you do to help to prevent or to reduce this problem when you find yourself in this type of situation, not to recur, or when you find yourself, what can you do to help to relieve it? One is by you should try to eat more frequent meal, as in you should eat several meals but in frequent interval. Don't eat three large foods at a time. Maybe if you want to eat it, maybe you look at it that 3 times a day you eat. When you want to eat once, you eat it very big. No, you can, that food you can split it into small portion, and you take it, and later again you take it. And also again, in between meal you can also snack. You can take something. Don't leave yourself for long without not eating food. If you are the type, know that you are experiencing this condition. And also again, the other thing is that you should eat small meal and slowly, not in a rushing manner. And again, if you are the type that take caffeine, you should limit the intake of caffeine. And if you are the type that take alcohol, or you take smoke, you should stop it. And again, you should stop. You should prevent triggering factors, things that can make you to have this episode of this issue. You should prevent it. And again, you should not take too much spicy, fatty, or dry meal, as in you should not take food that is too fatty, you should not take food that is too spicy, you should not take food that is too dry, like fried potato. If something is too dry, it can cause it for you to have this episode. And again, you should try to limit your intake of citrus and juices. If you are the type that like taking citrus juice, you should try to limit it. Especially you that know that you always experience this type of issue, you should try to limit the intake of this citrus of this juice. And again, you should, if it's so severe that you cannot bear the pain again, or if you, even though apart from that it's severe, if it's not severe, you try to see your healthcare provider. If it's very severe or is very severe, medication can be given. So it depends on your healthcare provider. You can request and place you on medication if the symptoms is very severe and it's not relieving. So at this point, I'm going to bring the talk to an end by concluding that heartburn is a discomfort experienced by women, pregnant women, but not all pregnant women, but some. You do experience this issue. If you are the type that find yourself in this condition, I am sure that with these help tips, you can help to reduce or prevent this condition occurring. And again, you should try, please, whenever you have this issue, if you have done everything possible by observing all these tips, but even although by measuring that you should sit, you should, after eating, you should stay 2 hours sitting upright before going to bed or before going anywhere. It will also help. If you have done all these things and see that you are still having this discomfort, please kindly try and see your healthcare provider. He or she will know what to do next when you present yourself to the facility. But I am sure that at least if you can observe these tips, you will be to promote comfort, and it will relieve it will promote comfort and relieve pain. So at this point, I'm going to bring the talk to an end. So please kindly like, share, and follow my page, and also get in touch with me on my YouTube channel by Oluwakemi Bitoye, and my Instagram page account by Bitoye Baby. So thank you very much.